Hey everyone, Teacher Dan here. Thanks for watching. And today we're going to cover the slurs. And it's very important not to confuse slurs with ties. They are both curved lines, but in this case, the slur is indicating an expressive tool. So it means that we are going to play the notes smooth and connected. So like a transition between, the videos when they have one scene to the next and it blurs out and goes into the next one, kind of like that. A bit more in this and how to do it later on in my videos. But today we want to make sure that a slur and how to identify them is two notes of different pitch with a curved line, or when there are more than two notes, this is a slur. Okay, not to be confused with a tie. If you have three notes of the same pitch with a big curved line, this is also a slur, not a tie. Remember, ties need to be individually tied between two consecutive notes. Watch my previous video to get a bit more clarity on ties. Hope this helps. Make sure you save these slides in my Pinterest and watch me at my next video to help you learn music theory a little bit better. Have a nice one. See you later. Bye-bye.